Did you know anyone on Snapchat can get added by a random individual? Snapchat ads are friend requests from stranger. Snapchat allows you to stop ads, from which you can accept or ignore random people. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to stop random Snapchat ads. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Snapchat on your device. Click on the profile icon at the top left of your screen. Tap on Settings icon at the top right of your screen. On the Settings page, scroll downwards. Under Privacy Control, tap See Me in Quick Ad. Untick on Show Me in Quick Ad. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to stop random Snapchat ads. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.